Fast am I. I'm not staying. I wrote this song, and I'm very pleased to have handed it over to such beautiful musicians. The song is called Paper Boats, Baatyn Pabyr, and it's about those thoughts you have for people who might be far away. Maybe you don't know where they are. Those thoughts that seem to fly away, like paper boats on the sea, autumn leaves. Baatyn Pabyr.
Tre Tower Sul Richt Ernest Frail Arrane. J'ai Baatyn Pabyr in me Jew. Howlen begrimbu How's a shilya high Hasimred high Drawi hoots mahresh Brisht Ernest frail Arrane Kormean mortesh gespilled in ram Leshtul yug fachu nach jakun en ulvom Mores and never get like eish Chasem red haye ach drawi hoots mehresh Richt Ernest frail Arrane Tower Sul Tower Sul Tower Sul Ansashle sheru vor mova Valingus pebeveg Azile jealous thou Erskine hesh Arrane homai Vaskine nere hesh Askal te hurish tai Richt Ernest frail Arrane Tower Sul